When Hurricane Maria struck Puerto Rico in 2017, the island was plunged into chaos. The U.S. government response: slow, disorganized, and in many cases non-existent. But across the ocean, when deadly floods hit Spain's Valencia in 2024, the European Union acted within hours. So ask yourself, what if Puerto Rico was no longer a U.S. territory but an autonomous province of Spain? FEMA delayed supply shipments. Life-saving aid sat unused in warehouses. President of the United States tossed paper towels at survivors mocking the crisis. Over 3,000 Puerto Ricans died, many from lack of power, water, or medical care. It took 11 months to fully restore electricity across the island. Congress took months to approve relief and sent only a fraction of what was needed. Puerto Ricans are U.S. citizens, but we were treated like outsiders, forgotten, disrespected, and abandoned. What Spain received: 100 million euros from the EU Solidarity Fund, emergency rescue teams from France, Portugal, and others via the EU Civil Protection Mechanism, Copernicus satellite monitoring to guide response efforts. 900 million euros in reconstruction aid from the European Investment Bank, additional 3 billion euros allocated for future water resilience projects. While Puerto Rico waited months for help, Spain's recovery was already underway within days. That's the power of being part of the European Union. No more waiting for Washington, no more begging for crumbs. Puerto Rico would have the tools, funding, and respect it deserves automatically. Under the US, Puerto Rico is second class. Under Spain and the EU, Puerto Rico would be treated like any other European region, with urgency, dignity, and funding. Becoming a U.S. state won't fix disaster relief. Independence leaves us isolated. But autonomy with Spain means EU protection without losing our identity. It means joining a family of nations that acts when crisis strikes. No more waiting, no more dying. It's time to give Puerto Rico real security and a real future. Call to action: share this video if you believe Puerto Ricans deserve better. Comment below: should Puerto Rico join Spain and the EU for stronger disaster protection? Subscribe to Puerto Rico. Open your eyes for the truth behind our options. See you soon.